Welcome in vocabulary class now 4. الفواكه والثمار. Pal, fruits. العربية. Urdu, English. First word is فول سوداني. It's in Arabic, in Urdu मूंगफली, in English peanut. Second word is تين. It's in Arabic, in Urdu injir, in English fig. Third word is ananasun. It's in Arabic, in Urdu ananas, in English pineapple. Fourth word is zabibun. It's in Arabic, in Urdu kishmish, in English raisin. Fifth word is karazun. It's in Arabic, in Urdu cherry, in English also cherry. Sixth word is rotabun. It's in Arabic, in Urdu tar khujur, in English date palm or palm date, or like that we can use fresh date. Okay, like, follow, share.